Hey everyone, Srivikash here. Welcome back to Python Trick of the Week. Last week, we learned how list comprehensions can clean up your code. Today, we're unlocking generators, the secret to building scalable data pipelines. Let's dive right in. Generators aren't just for saving memory. They're perfect for creating data pipelines, where each step processes data on the fly. Imagine you're analyzing a massive log file. Let's build a pipeline that reads the file line by line, filters lines containing error, and extracts timestamps from those errors. This is how we train generators for this. Each generator passes on data to the next on demand. No step loads the entire dataset into memory. This pipeline could handle a 100 gigabyte file without breaking a sweat. Let's break down how this pipeline works. Read log yields one line at a time. Filter errors, then checks for error and passes matching lines. Extract timestamps, passes the timestamp and sends it downstream. It's like an assembly line. Each generator does one job and hands off the result. Do you need to add a new step? Just plug in another generator. Compare this to lists. If you used list comprehensions, you'd load the entire file, then create a list of errors, then a list of timestamps. With generators, you process one line at a time. See the difference? Generators keep your memory footprint tiny, no matter how big the data is. Pipelines aren't just for files. Let's process a live sensor data stream. This pipeline runs forever, processing sensor data in real time. Generators make it easy to handle infinite streams, something list comprehensions could never do. To recap, generators let you build step-by-step pipelines. Each generator does one job and passes data downstream. This is perfect for big files, real-time data, or modular code. Try creating your own pipeline and let me know in the comments what you're building. Next week, we'll be exploring the zip function for parallel data magic. Don't forget to subscribe and bye guys!